Do you have idea that you can actually use bank transfer on Boloup? Hello, welcome to the Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to use bank transfer on Boloup. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Boloup app. The next thing is to click on the Me option found at the bottom of your screen. Click on the diamond option. So right here, all you have to do is to click on withdrawal method. So I'm going to be selecting bank transfer. So that is it. All you have to do here is to click on the my card bind in order to bind your bank to your Boloup. So you just have to type in your bank card number, your bank card number, enter your bank name, username, your bank username, your phone number in the account, and your specific email address that is connected to your or linked to your bank account. So with this, after entering this, you can easily withdraw your money from your Boloup directly to your bank, to your local bank. So guys, if you have done that, the next thing you have to do is to just come here and type in the amount of diamond you wish to convert to dollar and click on the withdraw option. When you click on the withdraw option, you will receive this amount within 24 hours as far as this bank transfer. And note that the minimum amount you're allowed to withdraw is $10, and if it's estimated duration exceed 3 days of waiting to receive this money, I advise you to report to the customer service of Boloup. But bank transfer is more safe though. So guys, I hope with this guide you'll be able to use bank transfer and withdraw from Boloup. If this video was helpful, do all to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.